everyone, welcome to my channel. Guess what, guys? Let me tell you, today I have a new hair dryer. Thank you, baby. Today I have a new hair dryer, and first time trying this. I was going to order one from Amazon, but then I was like, nah, it takes 2 weeks to get here, and I really need this hair dryer because I need to wash my hair, I need to get it steamed and all that good stuff. So the hair dryer I actually been using was like a the portable one with the handle and doing this whole thing. But today I have something completely different, and so I will be unboxing this bad boy right here. Hey, so I went on YouTube to search this, but it's crazy because I only seen 2 people using this. Maybe I didn't search it right, but that's all I seen was 2 people using this, because I bought it here at Excite, and so then when I saw it on Excite, I was like, let me go and search it on YouTube and check out the reviews on it and everything. So I couldn't understand the reviews because it was in French, and so I was like, well, I'll just go ahead and buy it because I need it. So without further ado, let's open this bad baby up. So it's got a, it is called first of all, it is called a Valera Swiss Hair Specialist. That's what it's called. It's drying up to 50% faster, 15% lighter. So isn't that kind of cool? You just put it over your hair like that. And you know, I know they got stuff like this in the US, but I bought this so that I can have something for here. But let's open it up and see what it's like, because I haven't seen it yet, so we're going to look at it together. Hey. So the thing is, guys, well, I'm going to use this. I haven't washed my hair yet, so I do need to wash my hair. So I'm going to wash my hair. Then when I finish washing my hair, then I'm going to come back. I'm going to come back with the and I'm going to wash my hair, then I'm going to come back with the review of this once I wash my hair. You see this? It comes with this little case. It comes with this case, and it comes with some instructions, what you do, what you are not to do. So you see that right there. I hope you guys can see that. But it comes with this case. Isn't that cute? And it also comes with this, okay and no. So I guess when it says no, because it's kind of like not all the way up, and then this one is actually fully up, so I guess that's, you know, of course that tells you why is that. But anyway, so here it is. I thought this was kind of cool. You just sit here, you take it, sorry for the noise. You just put this boy back. Isn't that pretty cool? You haven't used it yet, so I guess you put this around your neck, and of course you plug this bad boy in. So I'm gonna sit it right here, and then you have your bag here. So got the bag. Look at that. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm actually not going to be using it as a hair, well, I'm going to use it as a hair dryer, but I'm actually going to use it as, put it on my head with a plastic cap on and do my hair mask. So, isn't that kind of cool? You're going to put it on your head like this. So what I'm going to do is, when I get done, when I get the air in it, I will show you guys once the air is in it, all right? So you don't ask me, you take this part and you put it in here. You see that? And I guess you put that right here. But I'll be with you guys. Hold on for a second. I'll be with you guys in just a few. Be right back. Okay, bye everybody, I am back. So let me show you how you put this thing together. It's only like 2 minutes, if even that. But anyway, you're gonna put this around your head. You're gonna put the strap around your neck. And as you can see, this is the box. This is the little where the heat's gonna come out of, and this is the bag. Now, you just take this off, just like that. This is the end, and then you turn around, and you just slip it back around the neck of the dryer. So let me do that. See, you just put it back around the neck of the dryer, and here you go, like this. And you got to make sure that it actually turned around. That's right. See this right here? And then you take it, and you're gonna put it on your head like this. You see that? Now, that's how you do that. So I'm gonna be using this as soon as I wash my hair and do all that good stuff. But and then I will be back and let y'all see what it look like when it's all blowed up and everything. And also, with today's video, I will be trying out new is this. So this is the Valera, and I will show you this again at the end of the video, but I'm going to put that right here. Also, what I will be trying out new today is this. It's called an Energy Cosmetic 30 Swiss Herbal Hair Repair Mask. So I will also be using this right here. I'm not sure if that's focusing for you guys, but I'll also be using this hair mask today. So first time using this also, because I need a hair mask, and so this will be the first time. And I also will let you know how my hair feels once I'm done with this hair mask. Well, anyway, guys, I am going to go get started on my hair. So I'm gonna go wash my hair. And I got I already got it pre-poured. I got my oil, my coconut oil in it. So I'm going to go wash my hair, and I will be back with you guys in a few. Okay, see you in a second. Bye. I am back. I just finished washing my hair, and now I applied my mask on my hair. And sorry about the movement of the camera. And look, this is what it looks like. See that? And it looks like it has actually have herbs in it. You see the herb looking stuff inside of it. It looks, it smells okay. It doesn't stink, but it doesn't have that fresh smell either. But yeah, but it doesn't stink, but it smells okay. So I did this and got my mask up, and this says you live for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes. And as you can see, I saran wrapped my hair because I actually want that heat to really penetrate. So I saran wrapped my hair for that reason. And now we're going to pop this on. Now, I'm not sure how loud it is, but if it's really loud, then I'm just gonna come back with you guys with the reviews and with my results and let you know what I think about it. But anyway, let's put it on. So, it's got this bad boy on. And then I think I might have to hold this up a little bit, so let's try this. Look at that. That's kind of, you hear how loud that is? So that's pretty loud. It has a cool setting. Kind of semi-warm, medium, and hot. So it has 3 settings to it. So guys, I will see y'all here after my 20 minutes, and I'll let you all know what I think about this. All right.
All my friends know the low rider. The low rider is a little higher.
My hair has been washed. I've put my mask on it. Let me tell you, the mask, my hair feels really soft. It really does feel soft. I can't give it 100% a 10 because it is for breakage, and I do have breakage, and this is my first time using it. But for the softness, It does feel really good, and I like the feel of it. So it does feel good. Now, for this bad boy right here, the Valera Swiss Hair Specialist, I will give this a 10. I really would give this a 10. The heat is excellent. The heat is really excellent. It reminds me of my hooded dryer back at home. You're not missing anything from if you have a hooded, well, which it is a hooded dryer. You're not missing anything if you go to the salon and sit up under one. I mean, really good. The heat was excellent. Now, I will say to you to put a towel around your neck because it is hot. So make sure you put a towel around your neck if you decide if you want to buy this. Now, I don't know if they sell it in the U.S. because, like I said, I only seen 2 reviews of it on YouTube. But it's a really good hair dryer. I really like it. So this would be my hair dryer from the time I'm here in Kuwait. And also what I forgot to mention is they do have, I'm going to go ahead and take this off. But I wanted you all to see, they do have a string. You see how long it is? If you put it around your neck, you can pull it up. That way it'll be able to hang off of you and you don't have to worry about it, the bag drooping down on your face because the string is long. So you can pull it up. I didn't figure that out, my husband did. So props to my husband, kudos to my husband. But anyway, yeah, you can, and then there you go, you just undo it. So that's it like that. Now, I really like it. I really like this. If you someone here in Kuwait that just getting here and you need your hooded dryer, I would say go get this. It was 9 kDs, well, like 9.9, 9 kDs, 900 fields, right, baby? And so it's worth it. It's really worth it. So I really like that. And if you guys didn't know, if I didn't say in my in the beginning of my video, I just wanted to just throw in something extra. This is the shampoo and conditioner I use. I use Herbal Essence. It's a really good shampoo and conditioner. It has a lot of slip to it, and I really like the slip of this conditioner and everything, so it doesn't dry. When I wash my hair with the shampoo and then I do this for 3 minutes right after it, I mean, it feels really good. So guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed my video today. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next video, and you all have a blessed day.